What we're looking at here is what's left of a Hunter low profile ceiling fan. I don't know too much about this other than it uses the 177mm motor inside that pretty much all Hunters use in this time. I want to say it's from the mid to late 90s. And the main reason I got this fan is not for the fan, but actually for the light. Now, not the light you see here. It had like a 5 light kit on it. It had 4 arms with a center light. And that's basically the reason why I even got this fan. And this is from Facebook Marketplace. And like I said, the light kit was the only reason I really went after this, since it had a really nice light kit on it with beveled glass and everything. And I just used that on another fan. So after I took the light kit off, this fan was basically incomplete. I don't have a switch cap for it, so I put this brass single fitter light on there just to make it complete, and this spare globe I had sitting around. And the reason why I said earlier is what's left of a Hunter low profile is because the finish is pretty far gone on this fan. I mean, there's no hope in bringing back the finish on this fan. I'll show you what I mean. So if you were to look at this fan, what finish would you think this is? Because I thought it was antique brass. And then I looked at more parts of it more closely, and it has some polished brass looking parts on it. Well, it's actually supposed to be polished brass, but the finish is so far gone, it's like rusted, and it's all rusty and crusty and everything. Turn the light on. But I mean, the finish on this fan is just like done for. And here's the Hunter logo up here, which is also covered in rust. So I'm gonna leave the light on through this video, but let's start it up on low. The fan runs surprisingly well for the condition that it's in. The bearings are almost silent, so that's a plus. And we'll go ahead and bump it up to medium. Let's go up to high speed now. Here's spin down. And by the way, these blades are reversible from oak, which is shown here, to walnut on the other side. Alright, and that's all for this fan.